If you're watching this video, chances are you want to finally take control of your money, not just make it, but manage it. And here's the truth. Most people never learn how to handle money the right way. Schools don't teach it, parents rarely talk about it, and social media makes it look like everyone's either broke or a millionaire overnight. But real financial success isn't about luck, it's about understanding how to manage your money step by step. So today, I'm breaking down personal finance for beginners, the exact roadmap to finally stop stressing about money and start building wealth with confidence. Let's start with the golden rule of personal finance. Know where your money is going. You can't manage what you don't measure. Most people think they have a spending problem, but really, they have a tracking problem. They have no clue where their paycheck disappears every month. So before you try to budget, invest, or save, track every single dollar. Use free tools like Mint, Monarch, or even a simple Google Sheet. The goal isn't to judge yourself, it's to see your habits clearly. Awareness is the first step toward control. Once you've tracked your spending, step 2 is to create a simple budget and actually stick to it. Forget those overcomplicated spreadsheets. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about intention. Try the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to saving or investing. If your numbers don't fit that perfectly, no problem, adjust based on your situation. The point is to give every dollar a job before it disappears. When you tell your money where to go, it stops vanishing without explanation. Now, let's talk about step 3. Build an emergency fund. Life happens, your car breaks down, you get sick, your job slows down, and if you don't have a safety net, you end up back in debt. Step 4. Get out of debt and stay out of it. Debt is like financial quicksand. It feels manageable at first, but the longer you're stuck, the deeper you sink. Start by listing all your debts, balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Then use either the debt avalanche method, paying off the highest interest first, or the debt snowball method, paying off the smallest balance first for motivation. The key isn't which method you use, it's momentum. Every time you eliminate a payment, you buy back your freedom. Once your debt is under control, step 5 is to start saving automatically. Most people try to save after spending, but that never works. You'll always find something else to spend on. Instead, reverse the order. Pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck hits, have a set amount automatically transferred to savings or investments. Treat it like a bill, non-negotiable. When saving becomes automatic, building wealth becomes effortless. Now we move into the fun part. Step 6. Start investing early, even with small amounts. Too many beginners think they need thousands to invest, but that's not true. You can start with $10 or $50 a week. What matters most isn't the amount, it's time. Compounding is what builds wealth. Step 7. Understand the difference between assets and liabilities. This is where most people go wrong. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes it out. Buying a rental property that generates income, asset. Buying a car that loses value every day, liability. Even your house, if it costs you more than it saves or earns, it's not truly an asset. Shift your mindset from looking rich to being rich, which means owning things that grow in value or create cash flow. Step 8. Protect yourself and your money. It's not talked about enough, but financial protection is a key part of wealth. That means having the right insurance, health, auto and renters, or homeowners insurance. If you have people who depend on your income, consider term life insurance. It's cheap and gives peace of mind. Also, protect your identity and credit. Check your reports yearly. Use strong passwords, and freeze your credit when not applying for loans. Managing money isn't just about making it, it's about keeping it safe. Step 9. Set clear financial goals. Because without goals, saving feels pointless. What do you actually want your money to do for you? Maybe it's buying a house, starting a business, retiring early, or traveling the world. Whatever it is, write it down. Break it into time frames. Short-term 1 year, mid-term 5 years, long-term 10+ years. Then assign numbers to those goals. Saying I want to retire early means nothing until you calculate what that actually costs. Money goals should be measurable, not motivational quotes. And finally, step 10. Keep learning and adjusting. Personal finance isn't a one-time project. It's a lifelong skill. The rules don't change much, but your life will. You'll earn more, spend more, maybe start a family or a business, and each phase requires new strategies. Keep reading, watching, and improving. The more you understand money, the less it controls you. Here's the real secret. Managing your money isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent. You don't have to get rich fast, you just have to make slightly better decisions, over and over again, for years. That's how wealth is built. Not from lottery wins, not from hustle culture, but from calm, steady progress. So if you're just starting out, remember this. Track your money, build a budget, save for emergencies, pay off debt, invest early, protect yourself, and set real goals. Do that for 5 years straight, and you'll be ahead of 90% of people. The goal isn't just financial freedom, it's peace of mind. Because once you master your money, You stop working for money and start making money work for you.